Have you ever wondered why your bicycle makes that click, click, click sound when you're not pedaling? Over 100 years ago, many bicycles used fixed gears, meaning the pedals kept spinning whenever the wheels moved. Going downhill was especially dangerous because riders couldn't stop pedaling. Everything changed with the invention of the freewheel. Hidden inside the rear hub are tiny metal pawls and springs. When you pedal, the pawls lock into place and transfer power to the wheel. But the moment you stop pedaling, the pawls release, allowing the wheel to keep spinning while the pedals stay still. That famous clicking sound? It's simply the tiny pawl sliding over the gears inside the hub. One small invention that made bicycles safer, smoother, and far more comfortable to ride.